Hello there, I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of UpKeep. In today's video, we're going to explore a topic that is often overlooked yet incredibly vital. Preventive maintenance for fire alarms and smoke detectors. We'll be diving into why regular testing is crucial, the common causes of malfunction, and a step-by-step guide to ensure your systems are always ready to protect. Stay tuned till the end for a valuable tip on how to make this process easier with the help of a computerized maintenance management system. Let's talk about the minimal yet crucial preventive maintenance for fire alarms and smoke detectors. Regular testing is key to ensure their proper function. If there are any problems within the first 5 years, it's typically due to improper installation. But remember, factors like humidity, corrosion, changes in voltage, and temperature can also cause issues with this equipment. Now, we all know that one of the most costly and devastating events for a company or organization is a fire. According to Fireword, over the course of 2 years, more than 22,000 non-dwelling building fires occurred. Shockingly, about 3,700 of those happened because an alarm failed to sound. That's why scheduling regular tests of fire alarms and smoke detectors is so important. It ensures that your fire prevention systems are ready when needed. Conducting preventive maintenance tasks can also help make sure your alarms are in good working order. Let's dive into a 4-step testing procedure. Each organization must establish its fire alarm and smoke detection testing schedule to comply with external regulations or internal procedures. But here are a few tips to guide you. Firstly, schedule tests of smoke detectors and fire alarms at least once a month. Secondly, clean your alarms at least quarterly to prevent dirt and dust buildup. Thirdly, ensure that fire departments are properly receiving notifications when fire alarms sound. And lastly, work with a professional to ensure sensors and wiring are all functioning correctly once a year. Here's a pro tip. Enter your smoke and fire detection equipment into a computerized maintenance management system so you can schedule regular tests and inspections. As you conduct regular tests of your smoke detectors and fire alarms, you probably will not encounter major issues. It's easy to get complacent about regular testing when things seem always in good working order. But don't let that fool you. Rely on your computerized maintenance management system to remind you that it's time to test or clean your system. This small investment in preventive maintenance can save you from major losses that a fire can cause down the road. So stay vigilant, stay safe. And that wraps up our video. Thank you for watching. We've covered the importance of preventive maintenance for fire alarms and smoke detectors and how a computerized maintenance management system can make this process easier. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button to stay updated with more content like this. For more information, visit our website at upkeep.com. Stay safe and remember, prevention is always better than cure.